This trip is all about Halebeedu, Beluru, Chikkamagaluru, and Shravanabelagola. A complete 3 days trip. Please go through this complete video. There are some useful tips which will be helpful during trip to Chikkamagaluru. Let's begin. We have started our trip from Bengaluru in the morning around 10 a.m. As usual, you know that we follow traffic or traffic follows us, we don't know. Traffic will be always ahead of us all the time. We always get stuck in the traffic. This is the beautiful Hassan route. Okay, in between we stopped our car at Pakashala. It is one of the good hotel we always prefer. We had our food and continued the journey. This Hassan route is very nice actually. We have lot of trees, really beautiful nature, and we have good road.
Nice weather. See it. Factory ಅವನ ತಕ್ಕೋಗತ್ತೋನು
Somewhere around 4 p.m., we reached Halebeedu, a very old ancient temple built by Hoysalas. We call as Hoysaleshwara temple. We are from Karnataka, India. We know the history of Karnataka. If you are not from Karnataka, better take a guide. They will explain Karnataka history with respect to Hoysala dynasty. Look at the Hoysaleshwara temple, micro level art during 12th century. Great work done by our superheroes during those days. During the rule of Hoysalas was an important period in the development of South Indian art and architecture. This Kannada kingdom remembered today primarily for Hoysala architecture. There are so many temples scattered across Karnataka. Now let's go to Beluru Channakeshava Swami temple. This is the Beluru Sri Channakeshava Swami temple. Here also same great work done by Hoysalas. A very big salute to Hoysalas for such a wonderful temples and significant contribution to the society. We took darshan from both the temples, Sri Hoysaleshwara Shiva and Sri Channakeshava Swami Mahavishnu, and we moved towards Chikkamagaluru. This is all about day 1. Now let's move on to day 2. We stayed at Binary Exotica Resort. Details about this resort is given in the description of this video. We had breakfast and went to see the beautiful places of Chikkamagaluru. Yes, mom. As usual, expect the unexpected. We got stuck in traffic for an hour. So what we suggest is better go in the weekday or else start early in the morning like 5:30 a.m. Look at the beauty of nature. Such a wonderful trees surrounding the road. It was a wonderful experience. Roads are very narrow here, so drive carefully. There are some hairpin bend road as well.
ಕ್ಯಾಮಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲ
This route takes us to Mullanagiri. We reached to Sitala Yanagiri and we went to Sitala Mallikarjuna temple. It's one of the famous temple in that region. After that we started our trekking. Here locally it says that before we go to Mullayanagiri, we must go to Sitala Mallikarjuna temple and take the blessings and then continue to the Mullayanagiri. Finally, we reached to Mullayanagiri, highest peak in Karnataka. Superb weather, powerful scenery. This is why we must go to Chikkamangaluru during October or November monsoon season to see the beautiful nature. Here, localites in Chikkamangaluru says that we must visit Chikmagaluru during two times. One is during monsoon and second during summer. This route takes us to Baba Budangiri or Dattapeeth. This is Baba Budangiri Peak or Sri Dattapeeth Peak. Here also we have done trekking for some time and then we returned back to our resort. Enjoyed cycling at resort with my family. It was overall it was good day for us. This is all about the second day. On the third day, we went to an old ancient temple, Shri LaxmiDevi temple, which was built by Hoysala. This is located in the Dodda Gaddavali village, Hassan district of Karnataka. It's a very nice temple and peaceful place. I have uploaded one small short video on this temple details and everything.
ಈ ಸೀಮೆಗೆ ಶಿವ ನೀಡಿದ ವರವೋ.
After that, we went to Shravanabelagola Sri Gommateshwara temple. This temple is dedicated to Jain Lord Bahubali and symbolizes the Jain precepts of peace, non-violence, and simple living. This temple was built around 9th century by Western Ganga dynasty. This is all about the third day. After that, we returned to Bangalore. This is all about 3 days trip.
Thanks for watching, friends.